What's up, you guys? It's Angela and I am back with honestly, like 2 weeks ago I actually filmed a video and I was gonna publish it, but I mean, I kind of got tired of it, and not tired of it, but let's just say I didn't really like how the video turned out to be, so I just said, yeah, I'm just gonna delete it. So I deleted it, and now we're back with another video, and hopefully this video is a success. But I'm gonna get my brushes.
I'm so unprepared. Oh my gosh, this is probably gonna end up like that video. Yeah, am I prepared now? Yeah, I think that's it.
Yes, everything's here. So, I actually have makeup on right now, believe it or not. Okay, so to start this off, I will be using a white eyeshadow and apply it to my eyelids. Oh yes, apply that snap. I don't want to curse as much, so. And now I will be adding a light orange eyeshadow to use as a transition eyeshadow, I guess. Honestly, just bear with me because I don't do my eyeshadow as much anymore. And here I am making a mistake. To be honest, I'm just like YOLOing this, if that's even a word. Like, you will notice that my eyeshadow looks like crap, but you know what? It's okay. And now I'll be adding a darker orange eyeshadow. I am trying to go for this warm eyeshadow look. So I'm just applying that closer to the inner lid. I don't know. So of course, I will be blending that snap out. And now I'll be mixing this red eyeshadow along with this brown eyeshadow to serve as a darker shade. And we will be blending that again. Now we're going to be using a concealer from Sephora to clean up some eyeshadow. I don't know. It's just for the glitter. We can apply that glitter and sparkle everywhere. You can see that my eyeshadow actually looks like crap, but some eyeliner will fix that. Watch. Hopefully. For you guys who knows how to do your eyeshadow, please bear with me, honestly. Oh, now I'm mixing some gold and white eyeshadow and putting it on my inner lid. That's not an inner lid. The lid, I don't know. I keep on saying I don't know. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. And now I'm adding a red, more like a purple eyeshadow just to make it less gold looking, to make it blend with the color itself. And I will be using the Face Shop eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner and I really like it because it's thin and I just love it. I love how it applies to my eyelid. The only problem is if you make a mistake, it can smudge a lot when you try to erase that mistake. Alright, so I finished my eyeliner and I used the Faux Mink by Ardell. I forgot the number, to be honest, but it's a good buy. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation and some Maybelline concealer. I just showed it because I already put some before the video. And now I'm going to be applying a bronzer by NYX. It's the matte bronzer. And I'm making circular motions, which is probably wrong because I heard that it has to be like the 3 thing. And are you supposed to start in the middle? I don't even know. Make sure to hide those fats. And I will be highlighting my face now with the Becca Opal. Ooh, yes, make that shine. Ooh, orgasm. I will be using the MAC lipstick. I forgot what it's called. Honestly, I'm not even prepared for this voiceover. But hey, it's okay. I am blending it out so it won't appear as red because I wanted that blotted lip look. Yeah. And here we have it.